Despite being able to sense everything on the road, Tesla didn't see this one coming. And now one employee's race discrimination lawsuit is going to cost the company $1 million. I'm Erica Domingo, and this is a Toxic Workplace Report. So fasten your seatbelt and let's drive right in. Melvin Berry began working at Tesla's Fremont, California plant in 2015, but only stayed for 17 months due to racist behavior by his coworkers and supervisors. In his 2017 complaint filed with the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing, Berry alleged that he was repeatedly called the N-word, and when he reported it to supervisors, not only were his complaints ignored, but he was given longer work hours and more difficult assignments. And if that's not enough to get you charged up, there are 2 other lawsuits pending against Tesla, but we'll get to more on those later. Berry's case was resolved via arbitration, which is a process outside of the court system wherein a neutral third party acts as a judge and makes a decision about the facts of the case. Here, the arbitrator found Tesla liable to Berry for over $1 million based upon the fact that not one, but 2 supervisors were aware that Berry had been called the N-word and took no action to prevent it from happening in the workplace again. In California, like New Jersey, a single utterance of a racial epithet such as this can rise to the level of severe for purposes of establishing a claim of discrimination and hostile work environment. And clearly the supervisors at Tesla's Fremont, California plant must have been operating on autopilot, because Berry's is the first of 3 lawsuits to be resolved. A class action lawsuit filed on behalf of more than 100 present and former Tesla employees alleges that white coworkers at the Fremont plant regularly used racial slurs toward their black coworkers, as well as some painting a swastika in the bathroom. In a 3rd lawsuit, father and son Owen and Demetric Diaz alleged they were subject to severe and pervasive racial discrimination while working at the Fremont plant in 2015 and 2016. In fact, back in 2018, the New York Times reported that more than 24 employees had made internal complaints about a wide range of concerns regarding behavior towards African American employees, including threats by coworkers, demeaning assignments, and barriers to advancement. Tesla has not yet commented on Berry's win, but has previously stated that it is absolutely against any kind of discrimination, harassment, or unfair treatment. In 2017, Tesla CEO Elon Musk sent an email to employees warning against being a huge jerk to members of a historically underrepresented group. But instead of pumping the brakes and stopping there, Musk had to go on. His email went on to say, "If someone is a jerk to you but sincerely apologizes, it is important to be thick-skinned and accept that apology." Given the fact that all of these allegations predate 2017, hopefully Tesla has taken appropriate steps to curb its race discrimination problem at the Fremont plant. As of right now, however, claims of discrimination do not apply to those working on Mars. Thanks for watching this week's TWR, brought to you by Erica Domingo, an employment discrimination lawyer who handles real cases like Mr. Berry's. Let us know what you think of his $1 million award in the comments below. Is it enough for what he went through? Thanks for watching, and be sure to catch the next one. Oh, nope, there's more to that sentence. This week's Toxic Workplace Report, brought to you by the Swedish Chef. Thick skin, Dogecoin. None of it stops discrimination in the workplace.